Let's discuss Leetcode problem number 88, this time Python solution. But before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Now back to the problem. You are given two arrays, nums1 and nums2, both are sorted, and you need to merge them. You need to merge basically nums2 into nums1, and there are enough spaces in nums1 to accommodate nums2 as well. It's just that the number of elements will be filled with zeros initially, so you need to fill them up. So the trick is to fill in from the right. So because of that, you are saying m minus 1 to I basically is the index of nums1, and then j is the index of nums2, which you set it to n minus 1, and then k is basically index of nums1 but from the right basically, and so you set that to m plus n minus 1. So now while I and j both are greater than 0, so j is pointing here, I is pointing here, and k is pointing here. If nums I is greater than nums2 j, so it is not, so it comes here, nums1 k equals num2 k, and so this way you get this array. So in the next iteration, you once again do the same comparison and then come to 5, and then you get this array k minus 1. You do this, so k moves here, and then 5 gets copied, and then k moves here. Now you do the comparison between 2 and 3, because I never moved. For both the scenarios, we came into the else block, and then j got minus 1 twice, and then j got to 0. Now j is pointing to 2, and I is still pointing to 3. Now I gets copied. Now after that, nums is greater than nums2. So 2 is greater than 2, that turns out to be false. So nums k, this one writes this thing, not this 2. It writes this 2 from the nums2 j, and then both nums1 and this condition is no longer satisfied after this. So it comes here, and then it checks if there are any elements in num2. Num2 is not greater than 0 because it went to minus 1 here, and so we are done with the completion of the array. Nums1 is completely filled, and that's it. Let me know, comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.